So we've just created a presentation. However, what if we don't like some of the elements, or what if we want to create something from scratch? So what you can do is you can go into a template, for instance, and you can press the padlock. If the padlock is locked, when we click, we edit. If the padlock is unlocked, it will come up with this message. And then what we can then do is we can move. We can delete even zones to make it more our own. So for instance, if I didn't want the photo zone here, or I didn't want the video zone, I could always remove that. And then what you will see on the top is there are elements that we can add. So for a color block, or a photo, or text, or video, or anything. So we can go through and we can add any one. There's clocks, RSS feeds, YouTube streams, QR codes, anything we want. So for instance, if I wanted to add in a QR code, I could add the QR code, press save, resize it, move it to wherever it is that I want it to go. Then once I'm done, I can lock the padlock, and that will save things in their own space. And then I can maybe go even to QR code there. You'll see all along the image is being updated on the screen as we're changing things. And then if I wanted to go to our website, I could then update that there. And then instantly we've taken a template, we've changed it, and then put it onto the screen with a new different QR code instead of a video. So that's one of the benefits of using the templates. However, if we wanted to, we could go into create new blank presentation. This allows us to start from scratch. You can choose dimension, so bear in mind you've got landscape and you've got portrait as well. We would recommend setting in HD wherever possible. Press save. And then what we can do within here is now it's completely blank. We can hit the padlock and we can start building our presentation. Some places will choose to create an image in Photoshop or another, have that as the background. So what you might want to do is add that in. And you can then, as I'm doing here, just edit, resize as you see fit. Oops. Like that. Press save when you're happy with the layout of the image, and then remember that you can add in videos and all sorts of other things in exactly the same way. Now bear in mind, if you're adding in an image as a background, what you'll want to do is lock the padlock and then click the image zone and go into the settings cog, because what you'll likely only want is one of these. So I'm going to remove one, keep one, hit the settings, and just choose the animation to be just appearing, so that then it doesn't scroll through the same image multiple times. And again, hit the padlock, start building your presentation from there. Once complete, go onto the Screens tab, click on your screen, drag and drop the presentation that we've just made, of which this is just a video, a photo. And then what will happen is it will say content is assigned to those screens. That will change, and then the screen will change.